rolling hills, roaring rivers, and vast woodlands. The county Härjedalen is the perfect place for new adventures, like losing your motorcycle keys. Join the journey over Sweden's highest mountain pass and to two Fjälls.
That looks like another beautiful day of riding. Whoops, that was not the right turn. Yeah, so after the Wildmarkswegen that we did yesterday, today is not really planned. We are trying to stay close to the mountains and see more of this area here, which is called Ljungdalen and Härjedalen.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
We went to a little village called Covra, and we thought there would be a little cafe that you see behind me, but it's closed due to Corona. So we have to go back 10 kilometers to the next town, because from here we want to take small roads, and I think there's nothing anymore. So that's our only chance to get something to eat and to drink for the day.
We took the road direction Oviken to get some food at the Fjällkonditoriet.
But first I need sunscreen.
Very good.
Sunscreen?
At the small town Persåsen, we took a turn on a smaller road that soon turned out to be gravel, and enjoyed the ride through beautiful forests and along tiny villages.
A lot of very cute villages here on the way. We are on a gravel road now again, and there are actually quite cute villages on the way. The road is super smooth, and we're very happy to be away from the main roads and be a bit more in nature again.
The two neighboring provinces of Jämtland and Härjedalen have big tourism heritage. For more than 1,000 years, they have welcomed pilgrims on the famous St. Olavsleden that snakes through the region on its way to Nidaros Cathedral in Norway's Trondheim.
This is not going to the farm.
No? Ah, no. Good. Okay.
Correct?
Yeah. We will see.
My navigation system is so funny. I call it the adventure navi, because I'm always pre-planning the routes a little bit on a normal map. At least I look where we're going, and then the navi takes me to these small forest tracks that are not on any of the big maps, and I guess it's because the distance over them is the shortest way, but it's such a cool surprise because they are so much fun to ride.
change of scenery up here on the mountaintop.
Without really knowing beforehand, our route took us up a pass to the mountain Flatruet, a gravel road that leads to a beautiful fjell with wide views.
Wow, I just love these kinds of landscapes. It's so vast and wide. It's really like visiting another planet. Beautiful.
So again, a complete change of scenery here on the mountaintops. It's absolutely stunning, but it's super windy.
With an altitude of 975 meters, Flatruet is Sweden's highest public mountain pass accessible with a vehicle and way above the tree line. It connects the towns Funäsdalen, Ljungdalen and Åsarna and is winding in the midst of the Scandinavian wilderness and passes a big mountain plateau.
So that was it. We're going direction Funäsdalen now to look for an accommodation for this night.
Our next day started in Tännäs, which has a nice campground and a cafe and shop where you can buy equipment for fishing.
We are in Tännäs now and we are departing from here to the next fjell. And fjell means that's these mountain tops where there are not so many trees anymore. This one is direction to Idre and then we will continue to Dalarna. Dalarna? I still don't know how to pronounce it.
Turned out that the road here is a very good gravel road again, which makes us happy.
The name of our road was Fosskrosvägen. It leads through beautiful forests and untouched nature.
We are heading to the town Idre now, and the road now is tarmac again, but it's still an absolutely beautiful ride.
Little did we know, that we would not arrive in Idre until later in the afternoon.
And now the most stupid thing happened. We changed the bikes for flying the drone and I lost the key. Which means we have to drive all the way back now to see if the key is somewhere there, because the bike doesn't start anymore. That's the problems with the keyless rides, I guess.
We decided to leave the BMW that would not start anymore and our luggage at the roadside, and to ride back to where we came from on one motorcycle so we could both look for the key.
So I'm walking down this road now to be a bit more slow and be able to see it if it's somewhere here. So we thought we were somewhere here and now we're trying to find the key. It's not so easy because everything as well looks a bit the same. And I think he eventually found the key. You have it! Yoo-hoo!
You guys can probably guess how relieved I was when we found the key and when we came back to our motorcycle and everything, including our luggage, was still where we left it.
How does it feel to be such a good key finder?
No, that felt very good.
You're proud?
No, not proud necessarily, but happy.
I knew we would find it.
Thanks for joining our adventurous ride and looking for my keys with me. The next episode will take us to the county Dalarna, with its typical red houses, to its famous lake Siljan, and to another adventure. Tune in next Thursday and leave me a comment and a thumbs up.